How architectural aluminum framing systems impact whole building performance. Welcome to Building Knowledge 101. In this video, we discuss how architectural aluminum framing systems impact whole building performance, including energy efficiency, material utilization, and occupant well-being. Architectural aluminum framing systems can impact whole building performance. We reviewed how they impact energy efficiency, material utilization, and occupant well-being. Each of these characteristics create a high-performance sustainable building. They can also be used to help achieve certification in multiple green rating programs. Again, looking at the examples here, both LEED, Living Building Challenge, Wellness, and CHIPS all focus on these three areas. And using currently available tools to evaluate your glass and glazing elevation's efficiency can help you maximize point awareness and maximize efficiency of your green building certification system you're using. That is all we have time for in this video. If you'd like to watch more of our 101 video series, subscribe to our YouTube channel, Kawneer Company, Inc.